While doing research, I came across a channel called AI Story 2.0. And bro, this channel is going absolutely crazy right now. They make these simple animals helping humans type of story videos, and people love them because they're super emotional and just make you feel something real, like pure good vibes. They've only uploaded around 75 videos and already hit 1.2 million subscribers, and the best part is their new videos are still blowing up, which means there's a massive opportunity in this niche right now. And according to Social Blade, they got 65 million views in just the last 30 days. Even if we calculate with a super low shorts RPM like 0.05 per 1,000 views, that's still around $3,250 made in just 1 month. Crazy, right? YouTube loves creators who stay consistent and post regularly, but most people waste weeks making videos that barely get any views. When in reality, if you just balance quality and quantity, you have a real shot at going viral fast. And the best part is, I found an AI tool that can make these kinds of videos for you in just a few minutes, so you can post one video every single day without even compromising on quality. Check out a similar short I created in just a few minutes.
In the heart of a dense forest, a young child found himself lost, fear creeping in as the towering trees closed in around him. Just when panic began to take hold, a stray dog appeared, rough and scruffy.
So we're starting from the very beginning, creating a brand new channel. If you're not getting good results on your old channel, it probably means it's either shadow banned or dead. So don't waste any more time on it. Just create a fresh channel with proper SEO and strategy, and you can start getting views from your very first video. I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, click on your profile logo in the top right corner, then select Switch Account, and after that, click on View All Channels. Now hit Create a New Channel. After that, you'll need a good, unique name. For this, you can use ChatGPT. Just tell it that you need some unique and easy to remember YouTube channel name ideas for your niche. In our case, the niche is something like animals helping humans, inspirational story-based content. GPT will give you a nice list of names. Just copy-paste the one you like into YouTube search to check if any big channels already use it. If you see a big one ranking with that name, try another. But if it's clear, go ahead and use it to create your new channel. Once the channel is created, we need to set it up properly to make it look professional and unique with a logo and description to help people understand what our channel is actually about. First, for the logo, you can just write a basic prompt to GPT and ask it to provide you with some ready-made image prompts for your YouTube channel logo on animals helping humans inspirational stories, and make sure to keep the logo prompts crisp and clear without any text or unwanted elements to make a banger logo. By writing a command this way, GPT will provide you with some image prompts which you can very easily use to create your channel logo. You can read out prompts and select a good one, and if you don't like any prompt, you can either regenerate the list or just ask GPT that you didn't like the prompts and you want GPT to do better and write even better prompts. This way, instead of wasting hours creating a boring logo yourself, you can easily come up with tons of different image prompts that you can use later on in Leonardo to create a logo. Once you have the prompts, simply pick out a good one and just head to Leonardo AI for good and eye-catching logo creation. Once inside Leonardo AI, simply paste the image prompt there and make sure to select the image preset as Phoenix 1 because it actually provides better results when compared with other models. Also, make sure your image aspect ratio is set to 1.1, and finally, just hit generate. In a matter of seconds, your logos will be ready. Okay, so they look pretty good to me. For the tutorial, I will just download a simple logo, but you can regenerate, try different prompts, and give multiple shots before finalizing a perfect logo for your channel. Once the logo is ready, let's get our proper SEO before setting up the channel. For SEO, we will command GPT to write me an SEO optimized description, along with tags for my channel name to help the algorithm understand what my niche is and to precisely deliver my content to my target audience. Also, make sure to add a comma after every tag, guys. Make sure to provide GPT with your channel name so that you can have channel-specific SEO, and just hit enter after writing this basic prompt. GPT will understand exactly what to do, and it will write you an SEO optimized description along with tags specifically for your channel. Once you have everything ready, simply open YouTube Studio and go to the Customization tab. First of all, make sure to properly upload your logo on your channel, the one you created earlier in Leonardo AI. Once done, simply scroll down a little bit and head back to GPT. Just copy the description that GPT provided you and simply paste it into your channel description box, and our channel about section is ready. After that, head back to GPT and copy all the tags that GPT provided you. Inside YouTube Studio, you will see the settings option at the bottom left. After that, Head to the channel tab and simply paste all the tags in here. Whenever a new channel is created, the YouTube algorithm basically analyzes the description and the tags of that particular channel to understand what the channel is actually about. When you optimize it properly like this, it helps the algorithm understand your target audience instead of just testing out your content to random people. Once all done, simply click on Publish and your channel will be all set. Now, make sure to warm up this channel for 4 to 5 days before uploading your first video, and you can warm it up by just simply using your channel to watch videos for a few days. Now coming down to the content creation part, today we will be using an AI tool called VexSub to make our shorts, which will save us time and money as well. And literally anyone can make videos using VexSub without the need for any additional or professional skills, so simply make an account in VexSub. And once you land on the home page, everything is pretty simple. Just click on Create a Video, and you will have 4 options to get started with. And option 1, Text to Video, is the feature we will be using to make our videos. Just select it and click on Next Step. After that, you can select whether you are making a short video or a long-form video. And as we are doing shorts at the moment, we will go with shorts. And later on, once you have a solid audience base, you can upload long-form content as well and get decent views on those too. After that, if you want to have a consistent character in your videos, you have the option to select that as well. There are a few characters available, but since our videos are mostly on animals, we don't need this feature, so we will keep it off. Okay, now there's a list of voiceover characters, and you can easily pick a good voiceover artist for your videos. I personally use the voice of Marcus on one of my channels, and I prefer it because it sounds really good for storytelling videos. Once done, we will be moving towards step 4, and this is where we actually customize our video ideas and script. Now you can simply write your video idea here and make a video in a single click, or you can write your own custom script, which I personally recommend for best possible results. For script, we will again use GPT, and here's what you need to do. You need to write GPT a simple prompt, and don't worry, all the prompts we used above, as well as video idea and script prompt and SEO prompt, I have already set up in a Google document, and you can access that document from the prompt section in my Discord server. I will leave the link to my Discord in the description of this video. Okay, once you provide the video idea prompt to GPT, it will come up with a list of video topics on which you can easily write your script. You can read and select a good topic, but in case you don't like a topic, you can regenerate the list or just ask GPT that these ideas are not good or engaging enough, and GPT will rewrite the whole list for you again, and you can easily finalize a good topic. Once you have the topic, you need to use the script prompt. The script prompt commands GPT to write the script in easy language, making it fully human written so that the audience can actually connect with the video. Remember, if the script is good, you already won 70% of the race. The prompt also has the option to add your video topic. Once you insert the video topic, you are all set to hit enter, and GPT will write a realistic script for you, and not just that. If you want to create videos in your own specific language, you can do that too. Once GPT provides you with the script, you can ask GPT to rewrite it in your preferred language, and it will do that. Like this, you will have full creative freedom of making videos in your own unique style. Once you have the script, simply copy it and paste it in VexSub. The best part is that your script can be as long as 6,000 characters, which equals around 6 to 7 minutes. Suitable enough for long-form videos as well. Okay, so moving on to step 5, which is just too good. An option to select your preferred image model. There are some good ones, but if you want to give a realistic feel to your videos, you can try real images or real videos in case you want realism in the visuals. But there are many other models as well, so feel free to choose what you like. Once selected, simply click on Start Generation, and literally, that's the time it takes. Listen, you need to focus as much as you can on your video idea and scripting. Trust me, if it's good, you can literally crush it. But don't just use any script that GPT provides you. Analyze it, read it out, and ask yourself, is it worth watching? If I had to watch a video on this script, would I watch it? And you will have your answer. Okay, once you have your video ready, we can fully customize it, because never settle for ordinary. With ordinary videos, you will get ordinary results. But if you want extraordinary views, then follow my steps. Okay, so we have a list of all the AI images used in your video. Here, you need to play the video and analyze if all the scenes accurately match the voiceover or not. In case a few don't match the voice, simply copy that particular sentence and head to GPT. Paste the sentence into GPT and tell it that that this is one of the sentences from your script and you want it to write an accurate image prompt for this scene. A prompt that accurately represents the scene. That's it. GPT will provide you with a perfect prompt for the image in that scene. Just copy the image prompt and head back to VecSub. After that, click on the pen icon for that particular image you want to regenerate, then go to the last option, paste the image prompt there, and in case you want to use a different image model, you can do that too. Just hit generate and your image generation will start. This is the perfect way to generate 100% accurate videos, even if you are using AI. Remember, never settle for less when you have the will to achieve the extraordinary, and the regenerated image will be even better. That's exactly how you can make a customized video. In the same way, you can redesign any image you don't like. Now coming to the next option, which is picking good background music. As you can see, there are a lot of copyright-free music tracks, and you can just pick a background music, but never forget to reduce the volume of the music. Keep it between 20 to 25 for a better experience. Otherwise, you are going to see some heart-refreshing comments from your subscribers. In case you don't like any music from this list, which is rare, I guess, you can upload your own music as well. Okay, moving to the next step, which is the heart of a video, captions. Of course, there are some cool caption styles as well. I personally suggest using the first or second one. They just look attractive, and it's proven by research that captions increase the retention of a video by 40% compared to videos that have no captions. You can also increase or decrease the size of the captions to maintain a good balance. After that, in the next step, you can also select transitions for your images. And I suggest using the black fade transition because it gives that cinematic vibe without disrupting the flow of the actual video. And done! That was all. Simply click on Export from the top right corner, and your video will start to export, which will take around 3 to 5 minutes max. Now let's upload our video on YouTube, and I will tell you a few mistakes that you need to avoid in order to decrease the chances of landing in the 0 views jail. First, we will head to GPT, and it's time to utilize the final prompt, which is for the SEO of our video. In the final prompt, you need to copy and paste your entire script in the brackets where it asks for the script, and that's all. GPT will provide complete SEO specifically for your video, written completely depending on your script, which makes it easier for YouTube's algorithm to understand your video and your audience. Once you have the SEO, it's pretty simple. Just copy and paste all the details into your video, and that's it. Also, make sure to select the category of your video as entertainment. Coming down to the uploading time, make sure to upload your videos between 10 to 11 a.m. or between 5 to 8 p.m. to maximize your chances of getting views and breaking out of the 0 views jail. In the beginning, stick to a single uploading time and don't mess with your uploading time if you want to avoid 0 views jail. And yes, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.